Welcome back, guys. Ash from Temu Handcrafted. I just wanted to bring you a little video today regarding the Mitre Gauge from the new Hikoki C10RJ I bought. So the Mitre Gauge that comes with it is this. You know, it's Hikoki branded, but it's crap. You slide into the mitre slot and there's slop everywhere. It goes left and right. You can't get a nice angle. So you know, just for shits and giggles, because I'd only just lashed out $800 on the saw, I didn't quite have enough left for the quality Mitre Gauge, so I actually got one off Temu. Don't know what to expect. It was $80. I'll put it together, have a crack, tell me what you think, leave some comments down below. Remember, this is an $80 Mitre Gauge, but it looks the part. Had some good reviews. Alright guys, I'm just about to start unpackaging this, and before you all tear my head off about going cheap Chinese crap off Temu, should have gone a brand name. This is Hikoki quality Japanese, and by quality Japanese we mean it don't fit. So I'm going to go ahead and open all this up. This is the pack, this is the box it came in, by the way. When you get stuff off Temu, it comes in plastic wrapping. So, and looks like quality aluminium. It's got a gauge on there, don't know if you can see that. So looks like it locks into place at whatever angle you set it at, and it's got these expanders here to help fill up the slot that the standard one doesn't have. Comes with a stop block and a little feature for cross cutting, and like last of all in a pack of goodies, some tools, some extra bolts and nuts, I don't know, maybe just in case some snap, I don't know, some washers to take out the clay, and the little screw-in handle to get a bit more purchase when you tighten them up. Alright, put it together. Alright guys, there it is set up. My biggest complaint about setting it up was it didn't come with a 4mm Allen key, and you need the 4mm Allen key to set the fence. So yeah, I just used my own for that. Not a big gripe. Stop block, yeah, it works. The lockout nut kind of starts the lockout there, which doesn't allow that to come up, so you really got to crank it back to get it to undo. But then when you want to slide it, you got to slide it down, I guess, find where you want. Just lock her out, yeah, there, crank it back, flip it up. You know, it's minor complaint. This angle finder, you know, how it locks out here, man, I'm gonna have to adjust this because it looks pretty close to 90, but I haven't tested it yet. But as you can see, it's on locked out on the 0 notch. Now I don't know if I can adjust this slightly to just make sure it's square, because I don't quite trust that it is square right off the word go. So I'll get the square out and test that now. Alright guys, got my square out, got it level there, and you can see that gap there. It's not square, but it's touching at that end. So yeah, she's not square, and I think this plate this is okay. For what I paid for it, it's okay. I think the worst part about Temu's packaging, arrived in a plastic bag. It's pretty sturdy aluminium, so it's alright. It's only the thin stuff I think you need to worry about. Anyway, like, subscribe if you want to keep seeing this kind of stuff. I love doing this woodworking kind of stuff and letting you guys see the things that I do so that you guys don't make the mistakes I did. I wasted a lot of money on cheap stuff, and well, had another crack at cheap stuff this time, but it paid off. So yeah, catch us on the next one.